Greetings, tutor and partners. I'm Mrs. Monsalvo, a student of degree in English as a foreign language at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, and this is my video to answer the question given in the initial approach for the Colombian education. The question we can ask: how far bilingual education programs for majority language speakers in Colombia they are actively helping towards the creation of a more understanding, more tolerant society, and not only providing a way to better jobs and higher standard of living their graduates? The answer is even before having read in depth about this topic. So far in this course, this is a topic that I consider important to both we English students and the people who are involved in the formation of educational and teaching curriculum must have present to consider the implication that an inclusive curriculum should have. Until now, unfortunately, teaching in Colombia has focused almost exclusively on learning English and other languages. All this is due to economic interests that also they must be taken into account, are not only part of the education to choose a bilingual education. It is said that in October 12, 1492, Christopher Columbus discovered America, and also this is the rhetoric that is widely accepted and one of the most taught in the school and universities. It must be mentioned so as not to forget that even before the arrival of Christopher Columbus to the Bahamas already existed indigenous people with their own customs, culture, languages, and traditions. Ignoring these facts, in fact, from this moment that everything related to indigenous issues in America is being underestimated. There is controversy regarding the use of the term discovery to refer to the arrival of the Columbus expeditions, since the one had, and from the point of view of humanity, America was already populated and had been discovered the first human being who arrived on the continent approximately 14,000 years ago, and on the other hand, there is a probably first European arrival made by the Vikings in the century 10, also without the evidence of contact. Learning a second language, for example, even having notions of some indigenous language spoken in Colombia, would mean a greater tolerance for the historical problems that these people have faced since the discovery. Problems persist insidiously even today. It would be claimed of these people that the students not only take into account the teaching of English for economic reasons, but also of a greater sense of belonging to our own roots. For example, right now in Cali, Colombia, we have problems that are historical issues. Maybe we can start to solve these problems teaching, starting to teaching to have a more sense of pertinence with the indigenous people that are historically forgotten. This is a debt that we as a society have with those people. Thank you, tutor and partners. This is my intervention.